with Chuck from ABR Industries. What's your call sign?
My call sign is K9CFA.
K9TFA. Thank you very much for coming on. And I saw something amazing and cool and innovative to cables. And I think this would be great for POTA. Can you tell us about the new cable connectors?
Sure thing. So what we're offering is a new assembly set with FME connectors that have adapters. So for example here, if you have like an SMA that was from your HT, but all of a sudden you said, oh gee whiz, I need to put it to a PL259, these nice adapters are just designed where they can just slip on, slip off, and lock right into place, and they are ready to rock and roll. So you can create just about any type of jumper configuration that you might need on the fly. So when you're out in the field, sometimes you got other piece of equipment, or brought this radio versus that radio, so it's definitely an easy way to change it out. Can come with all the different flavor of connectors, so the PL UHF style, N-types, SMAs, BNCs, TNCs, mini UHFs, you name it.
So this is like a universal adapter system.
Yes.
So you can use the same cable on multiple types of radios. You just swap out the adapter like the barrel. But instead of buying this type of connector or that type of connector where we all have the bag of connectors, BNC to SMA, all that. This gives you all in one with a common connector at the cable.
Yes.
And we can reuse that same cable, just pop it in, pop it off.
Right.
I love it. I love this. I love this.
Yeah.
How do we find this on the website?
So this is going to be, there's going to be a special section there with the different types of cables out there. They're going to start off as two parts. One is kits, and then with jumper cables that are applied to it, as well as we can sell additional components for it. And then the other piece is we're going to look at, we've got different longer cables from some of the POTA cables and things like that, where we'll also offer it as one end could be a standard UHF PL, and then you can go with the kits from there. So we can order just this one type of connector and put a common PL connector on it. Yes.
That all of our radios have, and then we don't have to worry about the antenna plug. We can just pull it off, put a BNC or the PL or whatever is on there.
Yes. Yeah,
I love this idea. I love this idea. And to also help when we're out at POTA, you have some cool colors?
So yeah, we started off with kind of a more traditional, from our idea at least, from orange and the yellow, but nowadays we've kind of expanded the offering to a wide variety of different colors. Purple's becoming more and more popular. The green for blending in. You know, the red, everybody loves to look at something nice and bright. And then we actually even started doing it in the army green.
I like the green.
We're even doing anodized black connectors. So HOA is starting to get to you, and they're driving you nuts, and somebody really wants to hide it. We're going to do everything we can to help you hide the cable.
And do the anodized connectors do anything for you, or is it just kind of more cosmetic?
It's more of a cosmetic thing.
So nothing to do with rust or water? Or
no, I mean everything will still hold up environmentally with our cables. They're all plated and designed to be used as outdoor applications by themselves. Obviously, it's always good practice to seal your ends because water can migrate in weird places, but this is just more or less something that actually, to be honest with you, was more of a kind of a military item, and then it kind of took a life of its own from there.
So we can mix and match everything on this on your website. We can go for the new adapter to the color cables to the specific end we want and length.
Yes, absolutely.
And all at the ABR website?
Yes, all can be done on the ABR website, and it can be even done through all the configurators too.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you very much for coming on, Chuck, and have a good Hamfest.
Thank you, appreciate it.